proved how to lose belly fat fast exercising strategically. Luckily, visceral fat is metabolically active and can be reduced quickly with a dedicated combination of diet, exercise and stress relief. 1 to 1 hour of cardio exercise daily for fast fat loss. Although 30 minutes of moderate cardio exercise daily can stop the production of additional visceral fat, a full hour is required to burn it. You cannot spot reduce, or simply burn stomach fat without burning other body fat. However, 90% of people notice a reduction in belly fat first. To opt for interval training. Short 1 to 5 minute bursts of high-intensity cardio during a 1-hour session will boost your metabolism and reduce fat faster. Try a boot camp, circuit training or fat burning class to learn how to incorporate high-intensity exercises into your routine. You can also look for interval settings on most cardiovascular machines. 3. Do body weight exercises before you do traditional crunches. Do planks, side planks, push-ups, squats and lunges every other day. Try to incorporate 30 minutes of body weight exercises every other day. These static and dynamic exercises burn more fat than crunches because they engage your core muscles, such as the abdominals, longer and more intensely. Add in strength training with machines or free weights when your body is used to the increased exercise. Do 30 minutes of weightlifting, with abdominals flexed, 3 times per week. 4. Stretch your abs before you exercise them. Try to do your cardio before you do abdominal exercises and stretch, so that more of the work will focus on your core, rather than tight hips, legs or the neck. Take a pilot's class to learn how to target the deep abdominal muscles. Do 15 to 30 minutes of abdominal exercises every other day. Make sure to include exercises that work the obliques, side abs and transverse abdominis, lower abs. Good exercises include side plank dips, reverse crunches, the bicycle and roll downs.